Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about and reviewing the Maxfull hair extensions. This is what the box looks like. These are from Amazon and the particular ones I got were the Maxfull Blonde Ombre Seamless Clip-In Hair Extensions, human hair. They're 7 pieces, 18-inch and 110 grams. Now, the ones that I had before, if you guys saw my last video, I just reviewed some from Amazon. I want to say those were 16-inch. So I wanted to get a little bit longer, and I like to get them a little bit longer so that I can trim them a little bit too, because I will show you, once you wash them, they get like a little frizzy, and I feel like just a little trim on the end makes them look so much neater. So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the review. Okay, so this is what the box is gonna look like. I did already take them out. I've already washed them, and I've sprayed them with my heat protector, and so it also came with this cute little clip here. I'm gonna take it out. That's what the little clip looks like. That is super cute. I will put a link in the description box for these exact extensions, but I will say you better hurry because they were running really low on them. When I ordered this set, there were only like 2 or 3 other ones left. So they are selling very quickly because they seem to be really good. They've got really high reviews, like 4.5 stars. So I was really super excited to try these out. All right, now, so like I said, I got it's like dark, I think they said brown to ombre. This is a platinum blonde, but I did actually already do my purple shampoo. So I'll insert a video and it'll show you guys just how yellow they are before you do anything to them. So I just used the same exact purple shampoo that I used on my hair, hoping that they are gonna match. And if they're not a perfect match, it's okay because blondes always have different colors in their hair anyways. So I think this will blend really nicely, but I do really like how the top part is this brown color. It's kind of a different, well, it's very different from the brown in my hair, but I think it'll be good because I don't like when they're all blonde and like if they peek through, you can really see that in my hair because I have like a shadow root and it's totally noticeable. So I really liked how this was like that ombre effect, and so hopefully this will blend a little bit better. Now, I've never tried the seamless ones before. If you guys can see how thin they are, that's the difference between these and the regular clip-ins. The other ones are a lot thicker, and these are just supposed to lay on your head a lot like flatter so that you can't really see the bumps or anything. And I've just heard that they're a lot more comfortable, so I am really excited to try these. So like I said, I used my Blonde Baby purple shampoo, just kind of dipped them in a couple times. Now, I will say if you're gonna be doing this at home, don't leave them in for too long because these things change color quite quickly. Especially like the lighter the extension is, the quicker it's gonna change. So I just kind of dipped them in, maybe left them in for like 10 seconds tops. But obviously if you want more of like a ash or like more of a purpley tone, then leave them in longer. But I recommend putting them in a little bit at a time, pulling them out, see what you think of that tone, and then redoing it if you think it needs more. And then I did also spray them down with this. This is called Eva NYC, I think it's from Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and I am loving this. I'm using this on my hair. It strengthens, heat protector, reduces frizz, no sulfates, parabens, vegan, cruelty-free. Yeah, I picked this up from Costco actually, and after I bought it, I didn't even read about it before I bought it, but then after I bought it, I checked out the reviews and it has really good reviews. So I'll put this in the description box too if you guys ever want to check this out. Okay, with these extensions, you're gonna get 7 pieces. So you're gonna get, the lengths of these are a little different than what I'm used to, so I'm not exactly sure of placement yet. I have not put these in my hair yet, so we will have to see. So it did come with one of these little guys. Came with one this size, 3 in this size, and they're so soft, you guys. Like, they're on my legs right now and they're so soft, they're like tickling me. So 3 in this length, and that's gonna be 2 clips. Gonna come with 2 that have 3 clips, and 1 really long one with 4 clips, like that. We're just gonna try this out, and then once I get them in, I will probably have to trim them a little bit, and then I'm gonna curl them and show you guys how I do that, and then we'll see how they look. So first I'm gonna take one of the little guys. So this is a 2 clipper. I really like how big the clips are. I feel like they're gonna fit so much better into my hair. But look how thin they are. Yeah, I really like these. Got 2 of the 2 clips left and then 1 of the big ones. So now I need to concentrate on like getting the sides because like those are all pretty much in the back. Really liking how these feel. Like they feel so flat against my head. The other ones you could really feel them. So I'm really liking how thin they are. Okay, now for the last one. And then what I'm gonna do with this one, most of the other extensions I get come with 2 of these, but I usually only end up using 1 of them anyways. And I put it on this side because I feel like more of my hair is over here. So I just like to put 1 more like right there just to kind of give it a little bit more like right here, you know? So, okay, this is what they look like in completely not done. Nothing's done to them. So I will say they do look a little frizzy at the end. So I think what I'm gonna do is grab my scissors and just kind of do a quick little like trim just so that it looks a little bit healthier and a little bit more like real hair. All right, so far I'm really liking how these feel like in my hair. I can't wait to curl them and really see how they look. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of, let's see. So there is like the very bottom piece, or the very first one that I put in, you can definitely tell it's longer, which to be expected. So what I do is I just kind of trim them up, and then when I take them out, I make sure that I try to keep them in order so that I know exactly which way I need to put them in. So yeah, that is definitely a reason I like to get them a little bit longer, so that way I can trim them up and just make them look a little bit better so that they're not like kind of raggedy on the end. So I'm just using my Conair curling iron. I don't even know what this thing is, but this is just the one I use and it works really well. I think it's a 1.5 inch. So I have found that the best way to curl extensions is to wrap it around the barrel. I feel like the curl holds so much better when you do it that way. For some reason, I don't really understand why, but that is just how I like to curl my extensions. You can even curl them before you put them in your hair, but then I feel like you always have to like kind of go back in and touch them up anyway. So I just like to, if I've just washed them, I like to just put them in and then curl them on my head. All right, here is what it looks like after being curled. Okay, you guys, I love these things. These are probably the highest quality ones that I've gotten so far, especially off of Amazon. Like I can't even believe these are off of Amazon. I have bought extensions in the past from Sally's. No idea what brand those even are. And those were really good. Like I always had a good experience with those, but lately I've been getting them off of Amazon and these are my favorite by far. They're such good quality. I love the color. They curled like a dream. I love them. They feel so light. Yes, I love the seamless. I'm so happy that I got to try these because I've always tried the more thicker ones in the past and these seamless ones are awesome. So highly recommend these, you guys. I will put the link down in the description box like I said, and I'm gonna flip around and show you guys what the back looks like. And now they aren't a total match with my hair, but I kind of like how it like gives it more dimension. I think they blend pretty good. And I'm really happy with this length. These are the 18s, like I said, and I just trimmed a little bit off of the end. I might not have even needed to, but I just like to because I feel like it just makes it look a little more polished. I love these, you guys. I highly recommend go buy them before they're gone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and check out my other hair extension videos if you guys would like. I've got like 4 of them, I think. So I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you soon.